Ready to unlock a world of entertainment without breaking the bank? Let's get your Walmart Onn Streaming Device set up with your Android phone. First things first, unbox your Onn device and connect it to your TV using the HDMI cable provided. Plug in the power adapter, and while that powers up, grab your Onn remote. Once your TV displays the Onn setup screen, you'll see a prompt to use your Android phone for setup on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Open the Google Home app on your Android phone. The app should automatically detect your Onn device. If not, you might need to refresh or search for nearby devices. Follow the on-screen prompts on both your TV and your phone. Your phone will guide you through connecting the Onn device to your home Wi-Fi network. You'll be asked to select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password handy. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is essential for accessing the Google Play Store and all your favorite streaming apps. Once you're logged in, you can start downloading apps like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and many more from the Google Play Store directly on your Onn device. And here's a cool trick: your Onn remote can also function with Google Assistant. Simply press the microphone button and ask it to open apps, play shows, or even check the weather. It's that simple. You've successfully set up your Walmart Onn streaming device and are ready to enjoy all your favorite content. Happy streaming!